All right, so now that you've set up your home page, you will set up your ninth grade physics page. So if you click on ninth grade, then click on physics and design, you'll see that there are directions. This is your goal, is to have these 3 images that pop up and light up. So I'll show you now how you do that. So you're going to click in this empty box over here. It says upload file from your computer. I'm going to get some random pictures. Mine are random, but yours should very much be specific to what it says. So either your PVC boat or microplastic or why the boat floats. So I'm just picking 3. You can also do this one at a time. Just so you know, these are the directions that are here. Add the 3 images, that's what we just did. Click on the image and above it will light up. So when I click on the image, this is one option where it says add images. So if you were doing it one at a time, or if you just want to add images, that's great. But right now I just want to click on an individual image. So see how it did that, and it says link and caption. So step 3 says click caption. So I'm going to click caption and I'm going to write what it is. So this one is PVC boat. And then I click done. Next it says repeat that, but now you're going to click link. So now I'm clicking link and I'm clicking standard page, which is what it says, and I'm connecting this to the PVC boat page as well. And that should be there. So notice that now this one, link and caption, are both lighting up blue. That's exactly what you want. These ones aren't done yet. The last step, if you notice where it says 5, it says click in the blue box. So this is the blue box not on an image, where again gives me that option to add images. Now I'm going to click caption, thumbnail, and I want this light box and full thumbnail. I'm going to go back and just make sure that it says display caption and hover. That needs to also be on. Now when I hover over it, it does that same effect that you guys noticed up here where it lights up. And that's the goal, PVC boat. So these 2 aren't linked yet, which is the only reason they are not lighting up. The last step that it says is make sure that you delete all of this afterwards. So I'm just going to delete my blank ones, but you guys would delete this box as well as this box. You do not need either one of those anymore. So I'll just show you how I delete. I just click each one and delete. And if I wanted to, if I accidentally deleted everything, it's gallery that I'm dragging over, just so you guys know for the future. Gallery has that effect. Images do something a little bit different. They don't do that cool light up effect. The next thing will be in the next video.